Do you know when you can have sex and you don't become pregnant? Well, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am your Dr. Siraj, the women specialist, and today let's look at how you can calculate your safe days. I'll use this board to take you step by step on how best you can calculate your safe days at the comfort of your living room, at the comfort of your bedroom, at the comfort of your workplace. So, usually every month, every woman experiences periods. And we want to know, when can I have sex without getting worried about becoming pregnant? The day you first see blood, that becomes day one of your new cycle. And we say from day one, we shall go for 1 month. Some people go up 28 days, others go up to 30 days. So we are saying, what out of this full month, when do I have safe days? When shouldn't I get worried of becoming pregnant? So we are saying days move from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Assuming this is our day 7, 14. We shall have here 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then we shall go up to 28. So naturally, we know, or scientifically we know, every woman, every month, except when you are pregnant, you will experience the menstrual flow, or what we call the periods. And we're saying the first day you see a drop of blood coming out of you, of course through the vagina, we say that is your first day of your new cycle. And we are saying what is normal is that from day 1 to day 7, these are also safe days. However, they are unhygienic. There is no literature that prevents you from having sex during these days. However, because of the blood that is flowing outside, there is no hygiene. If you have sex here, you will not conceive. But we don't advocate for this. But if you come out of your periods, say you have had periods for 7 days, day 8 is safe, day 9 is safe, day 10 is safe, up to day 11. Because the sperm spends about 72 hours in a woman's reproductive system or genital tract, we say plus or minus 3 from the day when the ovum is released from the ovary. So we say minus from 14, we subtract 3. What do we get? If you remember our simple mathematics of primary, we shall get 11. So we say still, from the time you come out of your periods up to day 11, these are also safe what? Safe days. However, from day 11, so day 11, day 12, day 13, day 14, day 15, because now from 14 still we shall add 3, putting in fact that sperms, because they are considerations, what will make you pregnant is when you have sex with your husband, with your boyfriend, with your partner. So what will they give you to make you pregnant? They are called sperms. And for you, what do you bring? You bring an egg, or what the white man or the scientifically call an ovum. So what will happen is that this sperm, we are saying it can stay in you for about 72 hours. These are 3 days. However, the ovum can only stay for only 24 hours. So what happens? The assumption is that if you don't release an egg on day 14, you can release it at day 15. If you don't release at day 15, you can release it at 16 up to day 17. So we are saying from day 11, from here, from day 11 to day 17, it can be our 20, to day 17, these are known as unsafe days. Why do we call them unsafe days? We call them unsafe days because should you have sexual intercourse, should you have coitus, should you have sex with your partner, fertilization will take place and you will become pregnant. And if you are not ready to become pregnant, then this is not a good timing for you. However, if you are ready to become pregnant, it becomes a good timing for you. So now after day 17, from day 18 onwards up to day 28 or 30, these are also known as safe days. So we have seen in this video that the safe days are before the 11th day on your calendar, and then they are also after the 17th day on your calendar. So meaning we have 2 episodes in each cycle when you have safe days. Day 1, however, you can be bleeding. For example, women who bleed for 2 days, on your 3rd day you are safe up to day 11. Then from 11 to 17, those are unsafe. Please don't have sex. Or if you are to have sex, use a protective method. For example, a condom. Or some women, actually nowadays we have what we call emergency pills. You can use an emergency pill after having unprotected sex and still will not be able to conceive. Day 18 to day 28, day 28 are also safe days. So when we put this in consideration, you would have understood when to have sex and you're not worried about becoming pregnant. This brings us to the end of our discussion about safe days. And please feel free, if you have any questions, put them in the comments. We shall respond to them appropriately. I remain Dr. Siraj, women specialist, and please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on new videos about healthy tips that we upload weekly.